Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Apa kabar sahabat semua? Berjumpa lagi dengan kami RJP Kreatif. Di video kali ini kita akan membuat profil atau relief lisplang ya, dengan ukuran 40 cm. Pertama kita timbang dulu ketinggiannya supaya sejajar menggunakan timbang air atau water bus. Kemudian kita tarik benang supaya lurus. Kita bersihkan jidarnya yang habis dipakai menggunakan minyak goreng dengan cara mengusap-usap menggunakan busa. Langsung aja kita pasang jidarnya yang sudah dibersihkan menggunakan minyak goreng tadi. Oke teman-teman, ikuti terus video kami. Jangan lupa dukung kami dengan cara like, komen, dan subscribe.
Yeah. Unknown brain. Marvin Divine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming. It's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous.
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games, yeah. I know that I found somebody else to love me one day, yeah. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side, no. You did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye.
life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you flying, see you looking down and out, coming to me crying, saying you miss having me around. Gave you chances and you blew it, you so easily influenced. All the times you told me beat it, now you gotta face the music, I'm saying
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games, yeah. I know that I found somebody else to love me one day. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side, no. You did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye. So now I gotta say
Oke teman-teman, cukup sekian dulu video dari kita. Mohon maaf apabila ada kesalahan kata, ucapan, atau video yang kurang jelas dan tidak detail. Saksikan terus video dari kami selanjutnya dalam seputaran profil. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits, you can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again.